Hello everyone. Today I'm going to install a hood protector or a bug deflector, whichever way you call it. I'm not sure whether they will work or not, but I'm just going to give a try and let's see how it goes. Let's unbox it and see how we can install it. Alright, I got the box, so let's open it and see what we have inside. A big box for a small package. Alright, we have the food protector. Right, that's all we have. Alright, so this is the AVS hood protector or bug deflector. Looks like it's in good shape, but there are few scratches, but it'll be fine. Let me show you. If you can see that scratch, should not be a big deal. So this is the underside of it. And here we have the mounting tabs and the nuts. Let's open it. There are some protective stickers. I've seen some people have mentioned on the reviews that they scratch the paint, but this should protect the paint. And this is the nuts and washers and those inserts to the hood. Alright, so this is the user manual or the installation instructions. You have the hood shield, the hood insert, washer, 6 of them, and 6 screws and bump on stickers. So first I'm going to clean it with a shop towel, and I got a screwdriver. Put the inserts into the hood. And then tighten with the washer and screw. Should be pretty easy. Alright, let's try it. Alright, first I'm going to just clean up this surface. So don't worry, I'm not using Windex. This is the same windshield washer liquid that I'm using. So gonna take a shop towel and spray the windshield wiper fluid and first clean this area. And inside. So these are the holes that we are going to use the inserts. So I got 6 inserts, so I'm going to put it in these square holes. So I got 6 inserts, so I'm going to put it in these square holes. So I have put the white inserts to the outer 3 square holes. So remember, just the outer 3 square holes. Alright, now let's put the bug deflector or the hood protector and align it, and then we'll tighten it. Alright, so I got the hood protector or bug deflector and I'm going to install it. First I'm going to put, maybe I'll just put one nut and keep it loose and then align it. So you get your 6 screws and the washer. Put the washer into the screw and get it started. Alright, so this is how the AVS bug deflector or hood protector looks. Let me give you a close-up look. So this is the side view. If I go to the other side, that is how it looks from the side. I think it matches the color of the 4Runner. So here's the front look. I really like how it matches my color. Alright, so that is how the hood protector or the bug deflector is installed. Hope you like this video. See you next time.